Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for December 6, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, the climb continues, although on lighter volume. I mean, regardless, though, this has been one heck of a run here, and equities have really gotten a boost after that election result, but one stock in particular, which I'll talk about in a moment. But the Dow today up 35 points. Once again, the S&P up 7.5. The Nasdaq was up 24, and the real story was in the Russell up another 15, and actually put in a fresh new high at 1354 here. So the markets continue to steamroll higher, if we look at the other markets here, bonds continuing to base here, but this momentum is just unbelievable. Look for a shorting opportunity here soon. Gold. Now, gold is interesting because it also is in free fall mode and has been trying to find a bottom here, but there is now 93% chance that the Fed will raise rates next week at next week's meeting. So what does this mean for gold? Well, gold should continue to be under pressure. If rates are going higher, the dollar's going higher, and equities are going higher. So no end in sight right now. Here we need some kind of sign of a turnaround. Look at the weekly. It is just in free fall mode. Now this week it is putting in a doji here so far, but it's early in the week, so we'll have to let this close. And you can see the monthly also does not look very good. As far as crude goes, took a bit of a hit today, gapped lower, did bounce a little by the end, but also closed lower. But getting back to that that wild ride after the election, look at Goldman Sachs. I mean, it has just been on a tear here forward. Fresh new high again today, 232.67. And if we look at the weekly, really puts the picture into perspective. That's 5 straight weeks higher, and boy, is it extended now. But no sign of a pullback just yet, and that's really the key here. Look at the monthly on a tear. I mean, this really, does it have enough steam to get up here to 250? I think it does at this point. Hopefully, we'll see a bit of a pullback here to be able to take advantage of that ride up to 250, what remains of it, about 20 points or so. But wow, what a run. I mean, certainly this won't last forever. We are absolutely extended here. And one of the things you can do to gauge how extended you are is to look back in the chart and look at how far away this usually gets from that moving average before it comes back into it. And you can see that Goldman Sachs really doesn't spend a lot of time very far away from that moving average, but right now it certainly is, and the picture gets even more dramatic on the higher time frame. So we should expect a pullback soon, but it would simply be another buying opportunity in GS. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.